I think that it is a fairly very safe uh, statement to say that one of the main things that everybody talks about in all of crypto is, are we close to the bottom for Bitcoin and Ethereum? Are we close to the bottom? Is the bottom, are we at it now? Is it at 16,000? Is it 14,000? And it is true that that's something that is always kind of in the prevailing. I mean, in my discussions with peers and other people and other, everybody in the industry, that's it always comes up. It comes up every single time. So I've got a very interesting piece of content that's going to show you one indicator that you have that I guarantee you're not aware of. I wasn't aware of it until I saw this piece of information. I'm like, that is interesting about the fact that this is showing that because of the cataclysmic events that we've had as of recent, that we may be close to the bottom. So here we go. So we're going to look at that. So thanks for your time. If you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button below and drop a like. And let's tell the algorithm that I'm here and just spread the word out. Bitcoin and crypto in general. And thank you truly for your support. Okay, so here we go. So right here, analyst explains why we could be close to the absolute BTC bear market bottom. That is a statement. Okay. So it comes down to this. So this is Rect Capital. Okay. And this she, excuse me, Rect Capital is saying right here that previous Bitcoin bear cycles saw the collapse of a cryptocurrency trading platform before bottoming out. I read that sentence and I'm like, whoa, okay, interesting. Per his words, exchange contagion. And so that what they mean by this word, exchange contagion, the contagion in this case is kind of used in relationship to like a virus or a disease that spreads, right? Contagion. So the FTX implosion, FTX is gone down in flames, and it's the contagion, it's the fear of, hey, this bad thing that's happened to FTX, is it going to spread to other major big exchanges, that i.e. a contagion. Okay. And so in this, he's saying that exchange contagion has, quote, become a historical tendency that occurs close to the absolute Bitcoin bear market bottom. I'm like, interesting. And then right here, he says, survive the capitulation, you will flourish. Huh. Wow. I'm like, okay. So what do you think? Drop in the comments below. This is new. This is one that I didn't really know. There's so many variables and factors and, all these data points, but this one's saying that historically, if you go back, the bear market bottom for Bitcoin and crypto in general has been near or around the the explosion or implosion or of a cryptocurrency trading platform. Interesting. Bitcoin itself in the last 24 hours is trading between that 16.2 and 17.1. It's kind of basically straight in the middle of that. I'm not expecting Bitcoin to do a lot as far as price action, positive or negative in the short term. We're kind of in a wait and see mode here. The overall market cap is 844 billion. Bitcoin's itself is 323 billion. We're in this place of kind of wait and see. We're all worried about this contagion thing from FTX. Who's going to be next? What's going to happen? Over this last weekend, there was a run on crypto.com. And there's just the fear of a major exchange going down. And are we out of those woods yet? No, I wouldn't say that we are. I think that the major ones have stepped up, showed proof of reserves and all those kind of things. But we still have the fear. We still have the fear. And so, and there also, with that said, there has been a lot of speculation about, obviously, what did I start off with this video about? What is the bottom for Bitcoin? The bottom for Bitcoin pretty much has kind of been speculated for a while now. It's about 14,000. We're only 2,000, well, 2,800. We're only 2,800 or so away from that range. And it is possible that we could see that. We could see that. Now, the macro scenario of inflation and all that kind of stuff, we're getting better data there. The CPI report came in, it was good. The jobs report came in, it was good or better. They were better than expected. We're waiting on a housing report this week, as well as PPI, producer price index, report this week. That's the index that shows from the cost structure for the manufacturing side. Are their costs going up? Are they going down? All that. So those are some factors. And then we have the biggie. We have December 15th, the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting goes into effect, and they announce, are they going to raise interest rates, 50 basis points, 75, or whatever it may be. So yeah, we still have some stuff out there, but it is truly, I believe right now, the FTX scenario and the fear, uncertainty, and doubt around the contagion scenario that is going to have probably the shortest possible impact on moving Bitcoin down, maybe to that bottom. So what do you think? Drop in the comments below. Are we at the bottom? Do you think 14,000 is the bottom? Let's start a dialogue. Thanks for your time. I'll see you. Bye.